For this question, we need to solve this equation here. And it looks fairly complicated, but if you break it down step by step, it's actually fairly straightforward. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to expand the brackets. So let's look at what we're going to write here. Let's just write down the 3x straight away. Can't do anything with that yet. I'm then going to multiply these two terms here. So the minus 2 multiplied by the x gives me minus 2x. And then this term here, minus 2 times a plus 1. Well, a minus and a plus gives me a minus. And 2 multiplied by 1 is just 2. And that is equal to this bracket expanded here. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. And then we've got the 3 multiplied by the negative 2x. So we've got a positive and a negative, which gives me the negative. 3 multiplied by the 2 is 6, and then we've got the x. So 3 lots of 2x is 6x, and obviously it's negative. Now the next step is to gather like terms. But I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify things a little bit first. Let's take this left-hand side here. I've got 3x subtract 2x. Well, that's just x. So I've got x. I've got that minus 2 there. And equals, well, I can't do anything on this right-hand side. That's just going to be 3 minus 6x. Okay, so what I want is all the x's on the left-hand side and all the other numbers on the right-hand side. So this minus 6x here, in order to eliminate that, I would have to add 6x to this right-hand side, which means I should also add 6x to the left-hand side. Now when I do that, I will get x plus 6x, which is 7x. I've still got this minus 2 here, equals, I've still got the 3, but the minus 6x and the plus 6x, well, they've cancelled. That was the whole point of doing that. Now the next thing I need to eliminate is this negative 2 here. And to do that, I would have to add 2 to the left-hand side, but also add 2 to the right-hand side. Now the 7x, I've still got that. The plus 2 and the minus 2, obviously they will cancel, equals 3 plus 2 is 5. Now the only thing left to eliminate here is this 7. I've got 7 multiplied by x, so what I need to do is to divide by 7 here, and if I do it to the left hand side, I must divide by 7 on the right hand side as well. Now the 7s, they will cancel, leave me just with the x, equals, and 5 divided by 7, I'll just write that as a fraction, as 5 over 7.